guys, Lisa from JoyfullyArt. Gonna do another video. First off, this is the Ninja Swipe I did in the last video. Turned out gorgeous. I absolutely love it. So if anybody's interested in it, better give me a call. Get a hold of me. I don't think it'll last too long. It's really pretty. Okay, so we go on with the next. This is a 12 by 12 canvas. My husband said I should pour over it. He doesn't like it. And the colors are kind of muted, so I think I will. I'm going to use my split cup again. And I'm going to put greens on one side and blues on the other and try and do a tree ring out of it and see what happens. So we'll just get started. Green and blues might be good together. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. This one's it's almost empty. See if we can get enough out of it. Oh, and I want some white in there. Oh, that made a mess. I don't want too much of the dark green. I'm not a real fan of dark green. Okay, now let's start with the blue. Cup around. All my colors will be listed in the description box below. As always, with all my information to get a hold of me. If there's anything that you see you want. Try and get them filled to equal amounts on each side. A little bit more navy, and that should do it. Okay. Doesn't have a spout, but I could kind of, well, not really. Let's just see what happens. Here we go. Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't use any silicone in here. Give it a torch. A lot of air bubbles from shaking my paints up. And I do want to use some white. As my flow extender on the corners. Spread out. Make sure that the old paint is covered up. with the new stuff. Not real concerned about my sides and stuff. I can get them afterwards if they don't get covered. Just want to make sure that my tree ring has something to flow on. There we go. Okay. Oh, looks pretty good. It's all going wonky over this way. All right, now knock over everything. Trying to try and tilt a little bit. Since it's going this way, let's try and go that way first. Back to the center. Really don't want to lose my rings. One more corner and we'll be good. I hope you can see okay. Get this end. My center kind of went haywire, didn't it? Let's see what's going on here. Don't like that big green in the middle. Let's see if we can tip some of that off. Or if it's just going to get bigger. I forget that it was the split cup, so of course it's going to be two sides. Silly. Silly me. Okay, what do you think? I wish you could speak. Somehow figure out where, unless you're live, and I don't think I can do live. I don't know. My hands wiped off here some. See something in my paint. No matter how much you strain your paint, strain your floetrol, seems like something always gets through somehow. I know I saw it. I'll have to look later, I guess. Let's give it a torch. Wait a minute. I think I want to go this way. A little bit more. See if we can get a little bit more blue instead of green. There we go. There's my big puppy dog behind me. What you doing, Wincy? You come to visit? I think that was it. Okay, well, let's torch. See if I got that side covered. see on my TV. I think it looks pretty good. It's nice and covered, and kept the rings, which is good. I like that. Plus, it kept the two sides. There's rings here in the green, and then there's rings here in the blue. So I'm good at that. That's great. Give you a close-up so you can see the rings on the blue and then the rings on the green, and they stayed separate, so that's great. All right, I think that's it. I like it. I want to thank you all for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends and family. Getting close to the 100. I say that every video, but I really am. And we'll have a big giveaway when I reach that 100. Hit the bell. You'll be notified when I put up a new video. Leave me a comment if you so desire. I read them all, and I really appreciate your input. I can do anything that you'd like me to do. You can contact me. All my information is down in the drop box. I do commission work. So if there's anything that you want me to do, any technique or any colors that you want done in a certain technique, I can do it for you with no problem. That's it for today. And as always, please have a great day.